Hey guys, Bing here. Today I'm going to show you this family I made. So, if it's a adaptive family, so it can change all the size of, for example, radius 600. So, and radius of this corner, and also radius of the profile, and also the spacing. Okay, so let's start. So first, create a generic model adaptive. Place 2 points. Make adaptive spline reference line. Then divide path, and layout. Let's change to minimum distance. Then create a parameter. Let's call it spacing. Instance OK and OK. So now we can control the number of this by typing different. So say 600 and now 100. Yep. Okay. So the next step is we're going to create part of this family. So it's also a family. Go to family, generic model, adaptive family. Okay. So place 2 points. Yep, it's the same. Adapt point, spline, reference line. So this time we're going to manually place some points. So points, draw on face. So actually I'm going to show you a not perfect way. Okay, so we will need 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here. We will need 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here, and the last one here. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. So then draw points on these points. So tab, place. Okay. Drag up, point, set work plane. Tab, place. Drag up, point, set. Okay, the last one. Okay, so and then select all these points. Create a offset parameter. So I'll call it offset instance. Okay. Then so the first point, so the rotation angle is 0 degrees. So the second one I will make it 90. Okay, the third one 180, and then 270. Last one back to 0. So now if I can create spline, reference line. Oops, spline, reference line, and the last one. Okay, so and also these points need to go to the end. So typing 1. This one 0. So now we have the part of that family. So you see if I drag this adaptive family, so the path follows. Okay, so Now you can place a point anywhere. So draw on face anywhere. No, cancel. Let's do it again. Points, place on draw on face. So anywhere on the line, and then sorry, not points. Circle, set work plane, place here, and then draw. Oops. Draw a circle with a radius, and then create a radius parameter. Okay, then change this to reference line. I'll just make it smaller, 90 maybe, and select this profile and the path, create a form. Okay, so now we have this part of this family and load into project, and place on face anywhere 1, 2. Select it, repeat. So this is a family without a corner arc, but why why I'm saying this is not perfect. So see if this corner. So I don't think I can make it perfect this way. Okay, so what I will do is go back to the family. Instead of have we just need, instead of have one here, I'll break this part and I'll have half of this corner here and half here. So okay, so let me select this point, change. Oh, previously I didn't. No, it's okay. I forgot to change this. So this one, previously this one should be 0.25. This one should be 0.5, and this one should be 0.75. Okay, so now select this point. The first one will be half of the 0.25, which is 0.125. The second point will equal 0.125 plus 0.25. The third point will be 0. No, what's the last one? 0.375. So it will equals 0.375 plus 0.25, and then we need one more point here. So I'll just move the point first. I'll move this back. So this point will be equals 1 minus 0.125, and then I'll need another one. Draw on face, point, draw on face, and then another draw on work plane. So tab, tab, tab. Okay, move here because it's negative. I need to change this 180, so let's go up. Okay. Oh, actually, it's not 180. I need this point to be about here. Here, 45 degrees. So it should be here, about here. Okay, so 180, 270, no, equals 270 minus 45. No, sorry, equals minus 45. Go here. So equals 180 minus 45. finally. So yeah, on this side, and then this point, which the host points here, tab, 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 tab. I just temporarily hide this. So this one's the host point of this point. So I just need to minus 45. Yep. So if you rotate this roughly here, you'll see. So this shape. So we need these 2 points, spline, reference line, and so this point currently we don't have a parameter. So if I so because this is offset and this is offset, so this is 90 degree, and then so these 2 points, which is this one, equals offset divided by square root of 2. So select this point and also this point, and here create a new offset. Let's call it offset 2. Instance, okay, and go to family types equals offset divided by sqrt 2, and okay. So now if you go rotate this, you will see. So that's a complete shape. Okay, so just need I'll just delete this and then select this, and create form. So this will be a complete so part of that family. So load back. Okay. So now looks like that's what's happening here. So let's go back to have a look. What's wrong? Let's temporarily hide this. Okay, yeah, it goes these points. So just need to move these points to the end and then load this back. So now it's complete. So today I'm going to show you just this part without the corner. Tomorrow we are going to create a corner into this family. Okay, so let's see if we can control this family. So these are the parameters. You can just associate the parameters. Let's call it R, and offset, or maybe I'll call it big R, capital R, and what else? So okay, so yeah, it's fine. Let's try it in a project. Load into project. So 1 point to 2 point. Yep, looks good. So these points, select this tab, select this divided part, and just uncheck the nodes. So load back into the project, overwrite. Now, okay, let's test it. 2 meter spacing. Okay, that's it. Tomorrow we will add the corner into this family. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.